Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 5 lesson number 3 life in desert and forest regions. As we have studied the whole chapter, today we are going to do its exercise. It is page number 22. Let's start. First one is questions. Question number 1 is what are continental deserts? How are they formed? The answer of question number 1 is the deserts in the middle of a continent are continental deserts such as Gobi Desert, Kaisalkum and Dashte-Lut deserts. They are formed because winds do not bring rain clouds here. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2 is why is the population of desert regions so low? And its answer is the population of deserts are low because of the harsh climate, lack of vegetation and water. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3 is what sort of vegetation would you find in a desert? And its answer is desert plants have few leaves and have fleshy thick stems. These plants are usually spiny. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4 is how has Saudi Arabia become a rich country? And its answer is Saudi Arabia has vast amount of oil. By selling oil in all over the world, Saudi Arabia gets money and become rich. This is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5 is name the South American countries which have equatorial forests, and its answer is the South American countries having equatorial forests are Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil. Question number 6 is why are equatorial forests important? Equatorial forests are very important because they are the source of oxygen for all living things and are known as the lungs of the earth. This is the answer of question number 6. Question number 7 is differentiate between equatorial and temperate forests, and its answer is the difference between equatorial and temperate forests are equatorial forests, tall trees are thick, lush and very close to each other. These are the things found in equatorial forest. Second is these regions are hot wetlands, and third one is vegetation is very dense and it is difficult to travel here. These three qualities are of the equatorial forest. And now about temperate forest. Trees do not grow very close. इक्वेटोरियल में ट्रीज ग्रो क्लोज टू ईच अदर होते हैं. टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट में ट्रीज डू नॉट ग्रो वेरी क्लोज. ठीक है. इसी तरह टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट का जो दीज रीजन्स आर क्वाइट कोल्ड, और इक्वेटोरियल के जो वेदर है वहाँ का कैसा है, दीज रीजन्स आर हॉट वेटलैंड्स. ठीक है. और थर्ड वन वाला कौन सा, वेजिटेशन इज नॉट वेरी डेंस, इट इज़ ईजी टू कट ट्रीज हियर. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कट करना ट्रीज को ईजी है, जबकि टेम्परेट इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट में वेजिटेशन इज़ वेरी डेंस एंड इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू ट्रैवल हियर. ठीक है. दीज आर द थ्री डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट एंड टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट. दिस इज़ द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Question number 8 is, what problem do people living in equatorial forest face? And its answer is, because of dense vegetation, it is difficult to travel through these forests and it is difficult to clean land for cultivation. This is the answer of question number 8. Now it's the work page number 23. First one is, find these words in a dictionary or an encyclopedia. Write a sentence to explain with each word. Bedouin. Bedouin means it is named for nomads in the Arabian desert. ठीक है, Bedouin क्या होता है? It is named for nomads in the Arabian desert. Second one is Sirocco. It is hot, dry dust. It is hot, dry, dusty wind blows through Mediterranean regions. ठीक है. Next is Wadi, a dry river bed in the Middle Eastern desert. Next is nomad, a wanderer or a person who travel place to place. ठीक है. Next is cactus. It is a plant, a fleshy plant in hot deserts. जो डेजर्ट में पाया जाता है कैक्टस, उसको वो एक फ्लैशी प्लांट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, राइट द वर्ड्स बिलो इन द अप्रोप्रिएट कॉलम. फर्स्ट वन इज क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट में कौन कौन से वर्ड आ रहे हैं? विंड, टेम्परेचर, रेनफॉल, whirlwind. Next, land, sandy, rocky, wadi, dunes. Next is vegetation, spiny, leaves, stem, roots. Animals में camel, snake, lizard, hedgehogs. ये सारे वर्ड्स इधर ऊपर लिखे हुए हैं जो आपने इनको कॉलम्स में लिखना है. Question number C is, circle the things found in equatorial forest with green ink and those in temperate forest with blue. Some of the things may be found in both kinds of forests. Circle them with both colors. अब कलर्स से तो नहीं मैंने इनको किया हुआ सर्कल, जिनके इर्द गिर्द मैंने स्क्वायर बनाया हुआ है या ट्राई एंगल की शक्ल बनाई हुई है, रेक्टेंगल की, ये होंगे इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट में. और जिनके आगे टिक लगाया हुआ है या टी लगा हुआ है वो टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट है. ठीक है, जिनके आगे टी है वो टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट में चीज़ें पाई जाती है और जिनके आगे ई है वो इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट में चीज़ें पाई जाती है. फर्स्ट इज अ लॉट ऑफ सनशाइन, इट इज़ इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज एल्पाइन ट्रीज, इट इज़ इन टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट. फास्ट ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स, इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट. Unnamed species, equatorial forest. Animals with fur, it is temperate forest. Millions of small insects, equatorial forest. Heavy rainfall, equatorial forest. Cold climate, it is temperate forest. Next is coniferous trees, temperate forest. Hot climate, equatorial forest. Snowshoes, temperate forest. Long roots, temperate forest. Hot wetlands, equatorial forest. Frozen rivers, temperate forests. Hot wetlands, equatorial forest. Frozen rivers, temperate forest. Pygmies, ये है equatorial forest. Over 200 centimeter of rainfalls, it is equatorial forest. ठीक है. Next is page number 24. Complete these sentences. First one is, trees in alpine forest do not grow very tall because of the cold climate. Next is, roots of coniferous trees help to keep the soil from being washed away. Third one is dead trees in rainforest do not fall to the ground because of the dense vegetation. Fourth one is plants in rainforest grow fast because of the heavy rainfall and fertile soil. Fifth one is animals are not hunted for their fur because there are laws to protect wildlife species. Today we have completed this whole chapter. आज ये हमारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया. अब हम यहाँ पे ही ख़त्म करते हैं. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम अपनी अगली वीडियो में उसको डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.